beautiful spring morning. You decide to take off your rims, switch over to your summer set, jack up the car, get the lug nuts off, and all of a sudden, the stupid rim won't come off. What do you do? Yeah, no, it's
Seized?
yeah, it's seized on there.
All right, so let me take a wild guess, and you probably clicked on this video thinking I have a stuck rim, or you wanted to see what I was doing. Now, for those of you guys who haven't been on my channel yet, well, welcome, and for those who already have, welcome back. Now, if you have a seized rim, which I came across the other day when I was putting all my summer tires onto my BMW, so basically, I started giving it a wiggle, it doesn't come off. I went to this guy, it didn't come off. And now, you're probably thinking, why don't you just get a bigger hammer, boy? Well, there's kind of something called a thin sidewall, and I didn't want to screw up my rim. So, I'm going to show you a method that I did that works pretty well. It is a little time consuming, but it worked really well, and it's not going to damage your aluminum rims. I'm going to show you the things that I used, and trust me, it's pretty simple. Only 2 things. Now, I am going to, without any further ado, get into the video. However, if you did like the content, if it did help you, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. And let's jump right into the materials that you are going to need, or the tools.
Only 2 things that you need: a slide hammer, and then a toe, basically a tie-down loop. And those are the only 2 things. The key is to make sure that you are holding it. You're basically holding it outside, and you'll see in the footage, you're holding it so that it kind of slips in like this. Make sure that you put tension on it, because you don't want the slide hammer coming back and hitting your rim. But I'm going to show you the example. We're going to get right into that. So let's do that right now.